March 2nd, and I have the puppies up here with the geese and the sheep. So the sheep are right there. The geese are over to my right, but it's a windy day too, but it's warm enough to have them out, and I'm just doing some socialization with them. Very cute. So that's green collar girl right there. When they're young like this, they don't venture too far. So as long as they see the sheep and they smell them, get the feel of the damp ground and the grass and the gravel, they hear the trucks out in the background. All these are really good experiences for them. Anything a young puppy is exposed to when they're really young, they won't consider as a prey object. The sheep, they're used to the big dogs, but these little puppies, it's new for them too. It's been too cold to have them up here or outside. They're having fun up here. Yeah, having fun. Just kind of follow behind the sheep. They're nice and calm. Geese are way down there. Go this way. Let's follow the sheep. They can hear the trucks in the background and the sound of the wind. Doing so good. You are doing so good. There's bees down here. Cute babies. Cute babies. Yeah. Okay.